Hi, my name is Amber and I'm from Worldwide Migration Partners. In this video, we're going to be discussing Australian partner visas and family visas. Essentially, there are three different types of Australian partner visas. The two predominant visas are for married or de facto couples, and one of them, the partner subclass 820-801 visa, can be applied while you're inside of Australia, while the partner subclass 309-100 visa can be applied for outside of Australia. So depending where you are and what your circumstances are, dictate the type of partner visa that you apply for, either being the onshore or the offshore. The third type of partner visa is the prospective marriage visa. If you're engaged to an Australian, then this may be a suitable application for you and can be applied for outside of the country. Some of the most common questions we receive about partner visas includes: what is a de facto partner? When a couple isn't in a married relationship, or they choose not to become married, they may still apply for an Australian partner visa on the basis of a de facto relationship. A de facto relationship is when a couple have lived together for a period of time. Under Australian law, a couple is considered de facto if they've lived together for 12 months. In the event that you haven't lived together for 12 months, there are certain exemptions under legislation that we can most certainly assist and advise you on. Another common question is whether married relationships have a higher chance of success than de facto relationships. The answer is no, provided that we have the right documentation involved and all of that meets the legislation, then there is no difference in whether you are married or whether you're in a de facto relationship, and that doesn't affect the success of the application. Another common question we get asked is the kinds of documents that we're required to supply. When the Department of Home Affairs assess an Australian partner visa application, they take what's called 4 pillars into account. And these are the nature of your commitment to one another, the financial aspects of your relationship, the social aspects of your relationship, and the nature of your household. Worldwide Migration Partners has been practicing and taking care of partner visa applications for a very long time. We have a detailed document checklist and templates to help you throughout the entire process, and we review all the documentation before it's submitted to the Department of Home Affairs to ensure that your application meets the legislation. The Department of Home Affairs update their processing times quite regularly. At present, you could wait up to 2 years to receive your partner visa, but you can of course receive it sooner. One of the migration agents at Worldwide Migration Partners, either myself or one of the rest of the team members, will keep you updated at all times regarding your application and when we anticipate a decision to be received. We get asked quite frequently about what the grounds are, or the most common grounds rather, of why a partner visa gets refused. Essentially, the main components is whether you've sufficiently demonstrated your relationship. Referring back to the 4 pillars that I spoke of earlier, you're required to demonstrate your relationship in terms of all 4 pillars. So you must satisfy the department of your relationship, of your finances together, of your household together, and that your friends and your family are aware of your relationship and support this. We also see refusals when clients lie or provide false documentation with their visa applications. Or we see people who don't tell us about underlying health issues or character issues. These are the main components that make up the majority of refusals when it comes to partner visa applications. But most certainly we help you through that throughout the entire process. We provide all information pertaining to the documents that you're required to provide, the character requirements and health requirements that you must meet, and we check your application to ensure that only correct information has been provided and only correct documentation has been provided. We get asked whether clients can apply for a partner visa offshore. As mentioned previously, you most certainly can apply for a partner visa offshore. It's called the partner subclass 309-100 visa. Essentially, if you and your partner have chosen to live outside of Australia for the last year or more and you decide that you want to come and live in Australia now, you can most certainly apply for the visa application in your current country of origin. Or if you've moved to Australia and you're currently living in Australia permanently, but your partner lives overseas, you can still apply for an offshore partner visa. If you're in a married or a de facto relationship with an Australian, or you're engaged to an Australian, then you may be eligible for an Australian partner visa. If you are interested, please reach out to Worldwide Migration Partners. We can most certainly answer any of your questions.